Hello everyone, I am Suman Bhattacharjee and my topic is Overview of Adaptive Modulation and Coding Technique, which is also known as AMC. Now this is table of content, introduction, adaptive modulation and coding, block diagram, importance of AMC, constraints, goal, current system using AMC, advantages of AMC, challenges of AMC, conclusion, and then reference. Introduction. Adaptive modulation and coding enables robust and spectrally efficient transmission over time varying channels. AMC was introduced in the late 60s and early 70s. The basic idea behind it is to adapting transmission parameters according to channel conditions by monitoring and measuring them. That means the channel conditions will be measured each and every condition, and according to the channel condition, the transmission parameters are selected. Adaptive modulation and coding. The modulation process formats the signal to best transmit bits to overcome noise and to transmit as many bits as possible. Coding detects and corrects errors. AMC adapts to channel conditions to measure channel conditions and to send messages between transmitter and receiver to coordinate changes. Now this is the block diagram of adaptive modulation and coding. In the block diagram, we can see that there is a transmitter, a receiver, and a feedback channel. In case of transmitter, there are a adaptive modulation and coding and a power control. Actually, the signal we have to send first modulated and then encoded, and this signal transmitted via any channel. There are noise in the channel that is added to the transmitted signal, and this noisy transmitted signal is received by the receiver. Now to make the original signal, the receiver demodulates and decodes the received signal. But we don't get the original signal, so we have to estimate according to the channel, and then the receiver sends a feedback through the feedback channel in the transmitter. Now by receiving the feedback signal at the transmitter understands what are the channel conditions, so the transmitter can adapt itself according to the channel condition. It will select the appropriate modulation and coding scheme according to the channel conditions. Why adaptive modulation and coding is important? Without adaptive modulation and coding, there is inefficient utilization of channel and wastage of power. With AMC, data rate and signal power are varied as per the channel conditions for efficient utilization of resources. Adaptive modulation and coding guarantees 99% of data transfer even at worst channel condition without any wastage of resources. Constraints. Adaptive modulation requires a feedback path between the transmitter and the receiver, which may not be feasible for some systems. If the channel changes faster than it can be estimated and feedback to the transmitter, adaptive modulation will perform very poorly. How often the transmitter can change its rates and the power. Now the goal of adaptive modulation and coding. Adaptive modulation and coding is used to improve the operational efficiency of microwave links by increasing network capacity over the existing infrastructure. Adaptive modulation means dynamically varying the modulation in an errorless manner in order to maximize the throughput under momentary propagation condition. Throughput is the actual amount of data that is successfully sent by or received over the communication link. Current system using AMC, EGPRS or Enhanced General Packet Radio Services for data transmission in GSM or Global System for Mobile Communication cellular system uses 8 PSK or phase shift keying with 5 different code rates and GMSK, that means Gaussian minimum shift keying, with 4 different code rates. Total 9 different coding and modulation schemes. GPRS or General Packet Radio Services for data transmission in IS 136, TDMA or Time Division Multiple Access, which is a digital cellular communication technology, can use 4, 8 and 16 level PSK modulation. Advantages of adaptive modulation and coding. Adaptive modulation and coding allows a wireless system to choose the highest order modulation depending on the channel conditions. Adaptive modulation and coding allows the system to overcome fading and other interference. It maximizes the throughput. As I said earlier, throughput is the actual amount of data that is successfully sent or received over the communication link. Challenges. AMC is sensitive to measurement error and delay. In order to select the appropriate modulation, the scheduler must be aware of the channel quality. Errors in the channel estimate will cause the control to select the wrong data rate and either transmit at too high a power or wasting system capacity, or too low a power, raising the block error rate, and the complexity is very high. Now conclusion. Adaptive modulation is one method to improve the throughput and by or range. The use of adaptive modulation allows wireless technology to optimize throughput, yielding higher throughputs while also covering long distances. References. These are some references I have gone through for preparing the PPT. Thank you. Thank you for your patience and attention.